In this video, I will teach you how to add follow button on your profile Facebook accounts, from the add friend button to follow button. By the way, I'm Kuya Deso and I upload travel, foods, tutorials, reviews, and other informative videos. If you are new to this channel and do you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on my next upload. Let's start! Tara! Follow the next steps to get the follow button to appear on your Facebook profile accounts. First of all, let's take a look at your Facebook profile in View As. For sure, that we can see here is our Add Friend button. On the right side, press the three dots and select View As. Now, we will make this follow button. Click Exit View. Let's go to the step 1. Press the three dots to the right side again and select View Privacy Shortcuts and select See More Privacy Settings. Step 2. Just scroll down, find and press Followers and Public Content. Step 3. For me, I want to publicize my timeline, post notification, and profile info, so it's public to me. But if you want some privacy, select Friends, Only Me, Friends of Friends, and No One. Step 4. Let's go back to the settings and privacy. Select how people find and contact you. Step 5. Make Only Me the following. Who can see your friend list? Who can look you for the using the email address you provided? Who can look you using the number you provided? And select No at the bottom. And select who can send your friend request. From everyone, move to Friends of Friends. Now, let's go back to our profile account. Press the three dots on the right side and select View As. There, we can see that the Add Friend button has been replaced by the Follow button. The steps are very easy. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. At kung gusto mo pa makapanood ng iba pang mga videos, i-click mo lamang ang video na lalabas sa ating end screen.
What's up mga kabago? Don't forget to subscribe, just click here.
For more videos, please subscribe Deso channel right here.
For more videos, please subscribe Deso channel right here.